I am Aminuddin Ismail, math teacher in grade 10 level at Piagapo National High School. In this video, we are going to discuss the proving of the remainder theorem and factor theorem. The objective of this topic is to prove the remainder theorem and factor theorem. Let us evaluate the given polynomials at the given value of x. Next, determine the letter that matches your answer. When you are done, you will be able to decode the message. Letter A, p of x is equal to x cubed plus x squared plus x plus 3. Letter B, p of x is equal to x to the power of 4 minus 4x cubed minus 7x squared plus 22x plus 18. Letter A is 17, M is 3, P is 6, C is negative 3, N is 78, R is 0, E is 5, O is 2, S is negative 6, I is 18, O is 30, T is 23. Let us solve the polynomials. The polynomials p of x is equal to x cubed plus x squared plus x plus 3. At x is negative 2, so p of negative 2 equal to negative 2 cubes plus negative 2 squared plus negative 2 plus 3 is equal to 3. Letter C. At x is negative 1, p of negative 1 is equal to negative 1 cubes plus negative 1 squared plus negative 1 plus 3 is equal to 2. Letter O. At x is equal to 0, p of 0 is equal to 0 cubes plus 0 squared plus 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. Letter M. At x is equal to 1, phi of 1 is equal to 1 cubes plus 1 squared plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 6. Letter P. At x is equal to 2, phi of 2 is equal to 2 cubes plus 2 squared plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 17. Letter E. Phi of x is equal to x to the 4 minus 4x cubed plus minus 7x squared plus 22x plus 18. At x is equal to negative 2, phi of negative 2 is equal to negative 2 to the power of 4 minus 4 times negative 2 cubes minus 7 times negative 2 squared plus 22 times negative 2 plus 18 is equal to negative 6. Letter S. At x is equal to negative 1, phi of negative 1 is equal to negative 1 to the power of 4 minus 4 times negative 1 cubes minus 7 times negative 1 squared plus 22 times negative 1 plus 18 is equivalent to negative 6. Letter S. At x is equal to 0, the p of 0 is equal to 0 to the power of 4 minus 4 times 0 cubes minus 7 times 0 squared plus 22 times 0 plus 18 is equal to 18. Letter I. At x is equal to 1, phi of 1 is equal to 1 to the power of 4 minus 4 times 1 cubes minus 7 times 1 squared plus 22 times 1 plus 18 is equal to 30. Letter O. At x is equal to 2, phi of 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 4 minus 4 2 cubes minus 7 times 2 squared plus 22 times 2 plus 18 is equivalent to 70. Letter N. Now, the decode message is compassion. Remainder theorem. What is remainder theorem? If a polynomial p of x is divided by x minus r until a remainder independent of x is obtained, then the remainder is equal to p of r. Proves by the division of algorithms, p of x is equal to open and close parenthesis x minus r times q of x plus r, where p of x is the dividend, x minus r is the divisor, q of x is the quotient, and r is the remainder with the degree less than 1, hence a constant. To find the p of r, evaluate p of x when x is equal to r. Hence, p of r is equal to open and close parenthesis r minus r times q of r plus r is equal to 0 times q of r plus the r is equal to r. Therefore, if a polynomial p of x is divided by open and close parenthesis x minus r, the remainder is equal to p of r. Okay, let us have a example, illustrative example 1. Determine the remainder when p of x is equal to 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus x plus 7 is divided by x minus 2. Okay. Solution. Applying the remainder theorem, p of x equal to 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus x plus 7, and the r is equivalent to 2. So, p of 2 is equal to 2 times 2 cubes minus 5 times 2 squared plus 2 plus 7. So, equal to 2. 2 to the cubes is 8 minus 5 times 2 to the squared is 4 plus 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 2 times 8 is equal to 16. 5 times 4, that is negative 20, plus 9. So 16 minus 20 plus 9 is equivalent to 5. Therefore, the remainder when p of x is equal to 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus x plus 7 is divided by x minus 2 is 5. Check using the synthetic division. Now, in the polynomials, let us get the numerical coefficient. That is the 2, bring down to here, negative 5, the negative 5, this one, x is a numerical coefficient of 1, and the constant term of 7. Now, the remainder or the synthetic divisor is the 2. So, bring down the 2. 2 times the 2 is equivalent to 4. Negative 5 plus 4 is negative 1. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. 1 plus the negative 2 is negative 1. And negative 1 times the 2 is equivalent to negative 2. 7 plus the negative 2 is equal to 5. And that is the remainder. So, factor theorem. What is factor theorem? If open and close parenthesis x minus r is a factor of p of x, then r is the root of the equation. P of x is equal to 0, and conversely, prove if open and close parenthesis x minus r is a factor of p of x, then remainder are obtained by dividing phi of x by open and close parenthesis x minus r will be 0. Phi of x equal to open and close parenthesis x minus r times q of x. Divide both sides by open and close parenthesis x minus r. Phi of x all over x minus r is equal to q of x plus 0 all over x minus r. R is just equal to 0, means that phi of r is equivalent to 0. Conversely, if r is a root of the phi of x equal to 0, the phi of r is also equal to 0, then the r is equal to 0. And phi of x all over x minus r is equal to q of x plus 0 all over x minus r. Phi of x is equal to open and close parenthesis x minus r times q of x plus 0. So phi of x is equal to open and close parenthesis x minus r times q of x. Therefore, x minus r is a factor of phi of x. Now let us have an example. Show that x minus 1 is a factor of 3x cubed minus 8x squared plus 3x plus 2. So, let us show the solution. By applying the factor theorem, P of x equal to 3x cubed minus 8x squared plus 3x plus 2. So, x is equal to 1. So, evaluate that. P of 1 is equal to 3 times 1 cubes minus 8 times 1 squared plus 3 times 1 plus 2. So, equal to 3. 1 cube is 1 minus 8 times 1 squared is 1 plus 1 times 3 is 3 plus 2. So, 3 times 1 is equal to 3 minus 8 times 1 is negative 8 plus 3 plus the 2 is 5. So, 3 minus 8 plus 5 is equivalent to 0. Since phi of 1 is equal to 0, then x minus 1 is a factor of 3x cubed minus 8x squared plus 3x plus 2. By checking using the synthetic division, let us get first the numerical coefficient of the polynomials. That is 3, negative 8, positive 3, and 2. The synthetic divisor is the 1. So bring down the 3. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. Negative 8 plus the 3 is negative 5. And negative 5 times the 1 is negative 5. 3 plus negative 5 is equal to 2. Negative 2. And negative 2 times the 1 is equal to negative 2. And 2 plus the negative 2 is equal to 0. Thus this remainder.